this session, we are going to start with change capture, which is CDC stage, change data capture stage. It will help us to find out the difference between the records of two input data sets. I'll just show you the database of Oracle EMP table and DEPT table, how we are going to find the change and how it is going to find out what kind of change you have in one particular record. Such all information we will see. So change capture. So databases, I have Oracle connector and I have DEPT, another Oracle connector, and I have data set as an output. So this would be a change capture. Change capture. The name itself tell you that it will find out the changes of data set. Okay. I'm giving input link, first input link, and second the other input link. So the input link names, it will allow only two. It will allow only two. It will not allow more than that. So the first input link which you give will be your before link. Total two input links it supports. DS link 4 and DS link 5 I have given. In the link ordering tab, see DS link 4, the first input link which you give, that will be before link, and DS link 5 will be your after link. These are the two input links that supports. And import the data, Oracle server, Scott, Tiger, and here I'm going to give an EMP table, and I'm going to load the EMP table definition. And here I'm going to give the DEPT table. DEPT table, and I'm going to load this table definition, the same process. So now I have here a common key column, that is DEPT. Change capture also required a common key column. Okay, so key column would be the department number. By default, it will be browse button with the common key column that you have. And you have some options like change expertise keys and values and all. This all information we will see, but first we will just try to once run this job and see the output, how it is going to populate, and based on that we will discuss. And see here, there is a one column created from the change capture stage itself, that is change code, change underscore code. I'm going to take an job. Okay, I need to save this job. And here I'm going to save this as change capture stage underscore job, and maybe the job name would be, job number can be transformer 24 your loop job, and 25 would be the change capture job. Change capture stage underscore job 25. So I'm going on save. Okay, what it is saying, it is not, the value is not provided. I am compiling and run this job. The job got aborted because we'll see the log. Else I'll just give Control L. Nullability. Okay, nullability. See the same things happen in join. It would be a warning, but When you see in data change capture, it would be a failure. See, here nullability is yes, but here nullability is no. That is the issue. That is the issue. But in change capture, it is a error. But in the join or merge, it is a warning. So that's what the stages behave. So here I get some records to the output, and based on that I'll discuss what is what. So total 12 records I got. Total 12 records I got to the output. We'll just see what are those records. What change code we got to that output records. See, it is giving 2 and it is giving all the numbers and 40 is 1. Okay. So here I don't have dname, location, department name I have. Okay. See, I have how many 10th departments? 3, but how many I got? 2. And 30 I have 6, but I'll get only 5. 20 I have 5, but I'll get only 4. So 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 10, 11, and 1, 12, 40th department, 12 record. Okay, I'll do some one change. So output for copied false I'll put, and then I'll run. Now we'll see. So this might make us understand what is the values we are getting properly to the target. I got total 15 records. So see now, 10 accounting, 20 sales, 30 sales, 20 research operation. See, for one record you are getting the information, and in the first run you did not get these records output to the output. Why? Because your drop output for copy records is false, is true, sorry, is true. I made it into false. True means what? Drop output. You don't go to the output, drop them before to the output. Which records? Copy records. Copy records means what? One record which is already present in before link, and that record if it is present in the after link, then that is a copy record. I mean to say there are 10 departments, 3 employees in 10 departments, 5 employees in 20 department, that 6 employees in 30th department. But I have 10th department record of D name only one, 20th department one, 30th department one, and 40th department one record. So one record only it is matching, means it is find outing from before to after link 1/10th department. So that is a copy. It is already present. That is copy, and the rest of 10th department, 2 10 departments, 4 20th departments, 5 30th departments are it not able to find. Then what code I'm getting? If you want to see the codes, go to the option. See the copy code is 0, and we got for the rest of the codes. Once we'll see. I talk to this change capture by looking at the output only, because we get the codes. We need to get the proper codes information. Okay. See now, 2. The rest of 220s we are getting 2. And 1 is copy code, which is already present. 1 record of 10th department, 1 record of 30th department, 1 record of 20th department already present in DEPT. That is the reason we are getting copy code to them. But rest we are getting 2. And 40th department we are getting 1. So we'll see what is the 2 code. 2 code is delete code, because what it is saying with the delete code I'll tell you. And the 1 is 40th code, insert code. See, 2 is delete code. Why it is saying? before you have two 10th department employees, but after you don't have. That is the reason, right? One 10th department you find it in after. So one 10th department it is giving 0. But rest two 10th department records what it is giving? 2. That is a delete code. Delete code why it is giving? Before it is there, but after now it is not there. That is the reason it is saying delete code. And why 40th department you are getting one record? 40th department insert code 1. I'm sorry, 40th department why it is showing? Before you don't have, now you have. So that is insert record. That is insert record. So these are the codes for if you have a spelling correction even it will get edit code. So how these codes will be generated means based on the change mode, explicit keys and values, or all keys or explicit keys, or explicit keys and all values. See, explicit keys and values means explicitly it will take throughout the fields, throughout the keys. All keys and explicit values, all keys means like each and every column, and in that values explicitly I will define. Explicitly I will define means I'll get change value. I need to specify. Exclude means you need to define. You should remove one key column. In 8 records, in 8 columns, you need to say that this column is not required. But it's not will not happen that, right? So the default option in this is explicit keys and values. Both you define. Both user should define. And copy code 0, delete code 2, insert code 3, insert code 1, edit code 3. And can we change these codes? Yes, 100% we can change. In interviews they'll ask you. And code column name, the code which will generate that column name if you want, we can generate this. And the codes, how do you generate? Codes, how do you change? Yes, we can change. Give me 1 minute. So drop output per copy. See, code column name. You can give the name. One second. We can do the code changes even. You can just specify. Now copy code is 10. I'll change one thing and I'll show you. Key column, I'll give the department number. Copy code 10 I'm giving. There itself we can change the code. I just expecting some other option to get changed. That is the reason I searched for some time, but it's not like that. So copy code before I got 0, now it should get 10. Accordingly, if I do, whatever I do, the correct, the mistake, if, whatever I did that change, copy code equal to 10, that should come now. So we'll see the copy code is getting changed or not. Yes, see. Like that you can change the insert code, edit code and delete code also. Okay. So more we will like exactly will come to know the purpose or utilization of change capture while discussing with type 2 implementation. For that concept we will wait. And thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day. Thank you.